Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account access and carrier rules. This saves time. Call or check your carrier's portal now because some providers require a confirmed account PIN before allowing resets. Once verified, make sure you have the phone in hand and access to the recovery method, SMS or email, so you can receive temporary codes. This step is essential. Without it, the process stalls. Make a quick note of your account number and any ID details the carrier will ask for. Now, initiate the actual reset using the carrier app or the voicemail system. Dial the carrier's reset code if required and follow prompts. When prompted, enter your account number and the temporary code sent by SMS or email because that proves ownership. If security questions appear, answer clearly and precisely. These are often case-sensitive. Once authenticated, you'll be allowed to choose a new voicemail PIN, pick a secure yet memorable code, and write it down in a safe place. Finish by creating and confirming your new voicemail PIN. Opt for 4 to 6 digits that you can recall quickly, but that aren't easily guessed. Once set, immediately test voicemail by calling your number and entering the new PIN. This verifies success. If the system still rejects the PIN, try a slightly different code and retest. If problems persist, contact carrier support with your account number and photo ID ready. They can force a reset or unlock your mailbox after verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.